Sure bafethu, hamba kanjani? Ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila. Bafethu, yabona sesingakhohlisana nje shonele nale. This is coming from a guy that's been able to date women even when he was broke, and also dated women when he had a bit of money. Ngisho kanjalo. Yabona bafethu, ayikho into ebaluleke njengokuthi udate within your league. Even usunemali. Even sekuthiwa izinto zihamba kahle, always date within your league. Mangabe ukuthi ufuna a life partner. If you want to have some fun, but you can punch above your weight. Udate oglam, udate wonke amathekeni ashisayo. Wena mase usufuna ukusettle down, ngiyakutshela mina bro. Settle down with someone that's within your league. Yabona, imali ibalekile yebo sharp grand, but ayikwenzi ukuthi umuntu esimame abe physically attracted to you. Ayikwenzi ukuthi ube ne sense of humor. Ayikwenzi ukuthi wena naleyo muntu esimame libe ne chemistry. Ngisho ngaze kuthiwa uthenga ama gifts every other day. Ngisho ngaze kuthiwa umthatha umuse eDubai or wherever la ufuna ukuya khona. It doesn't mean ukuthi uzokuthanda. Because vele mase sikhuluma iqiniso, if you are to strip away imali leyo nayo, you are not her type. And even if kuthiwa uyajola nawe sharp grand, she'll never give you the best of her. From ukuthanda to even in the bedroom, to even outside of the bedroom, how she treats you, how she responds to your messages. She will never give you her 100% because physically she's just not there. She's there because we are provider, but deep down inside you are not her type. Hence why ubona yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Ithola ukuthi abantu bayafetshelwa sharp grand azabuza umjita ngoba ngwenzela yonke into yini. You are not her type, and that's it. Ngisho nganemali, ngisho ngamenzelani, she'll cooperate, but she'll never give you her best because you are not her type. So my advice, bafethu, get the woman that likes you as much as you like her, or even get the woman that likes you more than you like her, and settle the fuck down. Treat her right, do right by her, and you are good. Awudingi ukwenza okuningi. Awudingi lokhu uyifraza ngamathekeni fethu out of your league. Yabo. But angilawuli. Do whatever suits you. But angifuni ukuthi kusasa lokho insizwe engiyaziyo engiphila nayo ngibone kumandla Chris kuthiwe sibulala umuntu esimame because imbambe nenye indoda or whatever the case is. Not saying the one that likes you won't cheat, but the chances are very slim. At this point in time, usuyehlanya ngawe. Yabo, once the honeymoon phase goes away, that's when ezokuthanda nje ngendlela enormal. And ngisho engasakubangela isicefe as much because sekujwayela. But initially mhlawumbe uzokubangela isicefe because phela yena ukuthanda kakhulu. Uzokubangela isicefe, bekezela me bro. Bekezela. Once wakujwayela, it will slow down and bese kuthanda ngendlela enormal. But yabona lo ongakuthanda inhlobo. Yabona isikhathi samhlanyisa kancane. Uzoba right. The minute that feeling goes away, uzokhumbula ukuthi hayi phela lo angithanda. Ngithanda ndawazi ungenzela zona. That's when the problems start. So yeah, thathe le advice ngendlela oyithatha ngayo, usebenzise ngendlela oyisebenzisa ngayo. But mina ngiyazi ukuthi kwabahlakaniphile nabaziyo bayazi ukuthi it works. So yeah, ndale kahle bafethu.